Hey friends, in the last video we found two premium WordPress themes that we can download officially at ThemeForest.net for free until 1st June, 2nd June 2025. One theme was Consultia and it is a multi-purpose consulting WordPress theme that brings 4 plus home pages, the pre-made website. Somehow live preview was not working and in this video, I'm going to create a demo website using the same theme. So don't miss the chance to download the theme for free, which is actually uh, available for $49 once you miss the chance. And after this date, the actual price is $49. But yes, uh, let us see how helpful this theme is going to be for our prospective website, since there is a downside with this theme and the free download, even with the theme, that it has been not updated since last 2 years. So I wish to check and show you actually whether it is working or not. But yes, it is available for free, it is for sure, and it is officially announced by the themeforest.net. I'm going to add the download link in the video description below. But yes, let us create a website using this theme, and the review is not working at ThemeForest somehow. But yes, I'll show you the layout that is available with the theme. So I'm ready with this core and fresh installation, and as always I'm using this shared hosting plan, and in the theme pack I have received the installable theme file which is showing 36 MB in size. Okay, so big size. Child theme included, and advanced custom field and FT core 2 plugins have been included, including the demo data that we can have at our download packages. And okay, so let us proceed with the installation very quickly. I'll show you all the steps, and don't miss any part of this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you really want to choose wonderful WordPress resources among thousands on available on this channel itself. Don't miss to subscribe and pressing the bell button. Okay, to begin, I must tell you, if you need any support regarding this theme installation WordPress website, we are readily available in just a click away. You can start a direct chat with our mentor, and at I Create Program, you can join the program, and even you can write in the comment section, of course. But it is a good idea to chat with a mentor before you start your WordPress website, and it is a free service for you. When you are coming on this channel, it is free, right? So to begin the installation, we can head to the appearance section. Under themes, we can add new theme and choose installable theme file, upload theme, choosing the installable theme file. But the theme file size is bit big, like on an average I have seen even the WooCommerce themes has a size around 15 MB on an average, and it is showing 36 MB. So if somehow the front end, the back end, the WP admin interface does not works for you for uploading the theme, you can use a direct file upload method to the respective website. You can go to the like this is the WP content, and you can upload on the themes directory. The consult is here. So since we are using a WordPress optimized hosting plan that you can always avail at WP Themes website through the video description link, it comes at a nominal price, about a negligible price. So it is working fine, and the theme got installed within seconds. We can go to the theme page just to check the details, and Consultia is here. So I'm using the very first version. So since it has not received any update, but yes, let us check whether how easily it is working. So I am activating it, and after activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see which plugins are here. 8 plugins including Advanced Custom Field Pro. This is a required. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. FT Core is the core plugin, and other plugins are Bitcom, NavXT, Contact Form 7, Kirky Customizer, Add Framework, One Click Demo Import, and the WP Classic Editor. All great plugins that I can select all at once. Select install, clicking on apply. Let us see if it works. It will install all the listed plugin here. And if you interact with some critical error like this, don't be sad. We can install the plugins one by one by clicking install links available with the theme. I mean with the screen and the plugin list. And it is again so simple. You just need to install the listed plugins properly so that we may get the optimal feature at our website. So I wish to take another attempt to install the remaining plugins. However, two have been installed using one by one method, but I'll select install again for remaining one. Let us say, just in case if it works. However, it also depends on the hosting that we are using. Sometimes hosting does not allow to install multiple plugins at once. Like for me, however, it is a WordPress optimized hosting. But yes, the installing plugins is main objective that we can do one by one. It will take an additional minute, but it doesn't matter. We are expecting a wonderful website using all these plugins along with the theme, and it is so simple. You don't need any technical knowledge, any developer attention for doing all these things. You can create your website at your own. WordPress is a very easy to use platform, free CMS. You just need to have a suitable theme pack for your website project, and you can choose and compare among hundreds of themes on this channel itself. And you can even get in touch with us for taking for guidance or support related to your WordPress website. All is for you. And this video or any other video, not a promotional video for any theme or any resource. So you have all the choices to choose. But yes, there is only one request. I put only one request, that you have to buy the theme through the video description links, that is affiliate links at themeforest.net. Of course, if you are buying any resource, so you have to buy officially. Okay, all plugins have been installed successfully. Here, 8 plugins, and I'm selecting all again. This time I'll select activate and clicking on apply. And all has been installed and activated properly without any doubt. We are here at the welcome page of Elementor, and all plugins have been successfully installed, activated along with the theme. So we can check our website how it looks with the theme and plugin packs. Okay, so this is the layout, and we can expect a wonderful layout after we import the demo content. And under appearance, we have the option import demo data, and in the import demo data option, we have all the choices, and that is available with the theme pack. Homepage 1, 2, 3, 4, and preview demo. If it is working, I'll show you. It is not like so. Preview is not working, but yes. So you have all the 4 choices. I'm going with the first one, considering it the default one. This can be good or this. So I'm going with first one, import demo. Next is continue and import. And now the demo import process is begin. And just to check whether it is working, okay, import complete. Oh, I got. So the actually media items was included in the theme pack that we uploaded, and it is all error. Why it is error? View the error log. Download file successfully downloaded and all the contents. It was included in the theme pack and that we already uploaded. And however, some error is here. If we can check our website, if it is working. Oh, the critical error on this website. Strange. So it is available at themeforest.net, and I installed the theme and plugins properly, and it is returning a critical error. This is why it is important to watch videos on this channel so that you may come to know about any theme, this theme or any other theme. So let us take another attempt so that we may be confirmed. So this time I'm using another hosting. This is light speed hosting. Earlier was Apache based. So I'm going to add the theme and using the same process again. Click on install now as we did earlier. And this is a comparatively high-end server, so it has more resources. I'm just checking the environment, whether it is working or what we can declare it is not working. But the main objective is to check the theme installation steps and its working condition so that it may be very clear to you whether you should go with this or not. Right? Installation is going on, and let us activate the theme If it is not returning an error, I will select all plugins again. If it works in a single attempt, I wish to show you at light speed, but error is same here, and I'll install the plugins one by one. So it is going very fast, and I'm about to complete installing the plugins. So as I said, this is relatively high end server, and I'm going to activate all the installed plugins. This is my second attempt to install the theme, and on the themes we have this. So we are at very complete Elementor again, and let us see if there is any error like critical error. It is not like this, but yes, we can go to the import demo data. Again the same screen, we have this choice. I'll click on import demo, continue and import, and just to check. Okay, so it is again fade error. So if we can declare, it is returning critical error at another host as well. So it goes without saying the theme installation is not working. However, the theme is available officially for free at ThemeForest.net. I take another attempt in few days, and the main reason that I can conclude, it is not, the theme pack is not being updated, and it was updated last 2 years back. In fact, the first release is being offered for free download. It is not very good thing, but yes, I may be very clear. I wish to be very clear in my videos, so that you may choose the correct resource for your website project. So another theme is available for free. I mean, two themes we discussed in the free download. You can check another one, but this one, Consultia, is not working for me, at least. For me, I'm not saying it is not going to work for you as well. You can try at your own, since the theme is available for free. No harm in testing, but yes, in my testing it got failed. So let us meet in the next video, where I am bringing more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching.